success. Put an app in for greatness and patience told me this well. Okay. Look for action and practice to get a hold of yourself. Time is of the essence and every second.
So dope. What is good, bro, gang? How y'all doing tonight, man?
What it do, baby?
What it do, baby?
So, I hope y'all having a good week. Hope y'all getting everything y'all need to do done. Leave me some reaction requests, man. I swear to God, I really didn't know what to react to today. Of course, like I was gonna get some AGP in, but I had no clue what else to react to. So give me some other suggestions, and yeah, let's get into the video.
For those of you who don't know, Angry Grandpa's got a rocky history with Boeing because back in 2012, they bought his trailer park so they could convert it into a parking lot for their employees.
You're talking about me living in the street? I don't want to live in no goddamn street!
I'm gonna miss this
That's
place.
messed up.
I know it don't look like much people, but you know something? It was home.
I lost my home because of Boeing!
I've decided to take it a step further and bring Boeing back into Grandpa's life. Sorry, Dad. Things are getting real rocky from here. I think you're getting evicted.
This man.
I'm telling you, he's bringing a turkey.
I'm telling you, I'm bringing...
What are you gonna do if he brings one?
So I have 2 turkeys.
Okay, well, what's wrong with that?
You know, we really don't need you, Joe.
You tore up my tree over 2 days.
Hey! I'm your goddamn daddy, I'll get 1 goddamn turkey!
Poking me too hard.
Sure, who gives a shit? You know who your damn daddy is?
Yeah, I do. We're gonna have 2 turkeys. Jimmy's is gonna be juicy, yours is gonna be dry. That's just how it is.
It ain't gonna be dry because I'll cook it that day.
Will you? Because you've never done that before.
Yeah, well, it was the first time for everything, ain't there?
Ooh.
No!
Get out of my house!
Wait, no!
Who's your
Oh, shit.
Boeing is buying our
See
fucking
now?
trailer park thanks to you!
What do you think me, man, you full of shit?
Man, fuck you!
Yeah, fuck you!
Get the fuck out!
Get out of my house!
Oh my God.
Motherfucker, there's a sign in the yards! Go look! You fucking asshole!
She's so loud, bruh. She make me loud listening to her.
Boeing time.
Boeing. What the fuck is Boeing got to do out here?
But I'm lying, right? Oh, look at that!
The fuck is that?
Hey!
Fuck them people to us!
Oh, shut up.
Wait, what's happening right now? Are we getting
Bruh,
evicted?
Yes,
man
all of us, 'cause of
destroyed
him.
that sign.
What do you mean because of me? God damn, they doing me.
Yeah, because of you! Look!
Eviction.
Yeah, really?
It ain't my goddamn fault.
It is your fault! You brought the motherfuckers here!
Shut up.
Oh!
Okay, it says it's turning the trailer park into a snack room for Boeing.
A snack room?
So they turned the last trailer park into a parking lot, and they're turning this one into a snack room.
Ain't doing the goddamn thing, man. You understand me? I'll go. Give my goddamn phone. I'm calling boy.
Okay.
Give my goddamn phone. I'm calling boy.
Pickle boy looks scared as shit.
You better fix it!
Bro, if he could...
Oh, don't act mad, you
Imagine
here!
Angry Grandpa with
Goddamn mouth
superpowers.
for one goddamn time in your motherfucking life. Will you?
After you brought the black cloud, yeah!
Boeing is going to do it to me again. The motherfucker's going to do it to me again, Tina.
We don't care what they do to you!
I
What
do
about
care.
us?
Okay, I've got Boeing. You got to keep it on speakerphone so we can all hear.
Bro, I'd be pissed too, though.
How may I help you?
Yes, this is Boeing, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
Listen, Boeing, I live in my trailer is sold. I got 3 days to get the fuck out. Is that true?
Oh, yes, it is. Let's return
Yo, that's how crazy it is, bro.
What?
Like,
I got
as far
your
as
goddamn
business.
snap bar, bitch! You understand me? No, shut up! Let me tell you one thing, you bitch. Y'all ain't tearing my motherfucking homeboy. You done took my homeboy one goddamn time. I dare you to come. You bring your goddamn tractor to my house. I will burn your goddamn tractor down. I will blow your shit. You hear me, lady? You're taking my home away. Let me tell you right now, that bitch, you ain't taking.
Calm down.
Yeah.
I'll speak to you any goddamn way I want, bitch.
Yo.
You can take Boeing and stick him up your ass.
Hey,
In fact, your ass probably just like your goddamn face.
Let her talk.
Well, sir, you cannot make threats to people. You cannot threaten to cause anybody.
He said I
That
will
is
blow
against
your
the law,
shit.
so we are having police dispatch.
Oh, please don't do that.
Okay, so in other words, I can't threaten you, and I can't say anything bad about your company. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Absolutely.
Fuck you. Fuck
You're sending
boy.
the cops.
I don't give a goddamn. Let the goddamn cops
I'm
come.
so sorry, ma'am. Could you?
I ain't sorry, you bitch. I ain't sorry with the goddamn.
I'm heading
You
out
okay?
now.
Bring your legal ass here. Bring your legal ass to my house. Come on, bitch.
I don't want to go to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I'll go to jail. Fuck boy. Fuck you, boy. Fuck you, boy. Fuck you, boy. Fuck you, boy.
Yo,
The problem is, everyone else is gonna have it in for that. We gotta get them out of here tonight.
Yeah.
oh my
thought about that.
god.
They're gonna want you dead, dude.
Oh shit, Michael. What am I gonna do?
Oh my god.
You need something to protect yourself with.
Bruh.
Take my knife with me.
Keep it in your pocket at all times.
I got a knife like that.
Right. I'm a bar
This
man.
one. I like barely use it.
I
but-
just don't know. I don't know what to do! God damn it, I don't know what to do!
Okay, Dad, we'll figure it.
Can I come stay with y'all? I got nowhere to go.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Dad, where Bridget says goes.
What Bridget says goes.
Bridget, I'm begging, I'm pleading.
No, get
Do you want me to get on my hands and knees and beg you?
Tina, you could stay with us if you need
And
to.
then back out.
How the hell does she get I get? I'm your goddamn daddy!
Because of this right here.
She won't destroy our shit.
She didn't destroy our tree the other day.
Yeah.
It's like, damn, I did
You're more than
that.
welcome to stay as long as you need to, Tina.
That ain't goddamn right, I'm your daddy! You son of a bitch!
Caused all this stuff. So now we all gotta leave.
Well then, I'm glad you gotta leave.
Really?
I've been wanting to get rid of you for 3 damn years!
You got rid of everybody. You ripped the whole damn trailer apart.
Then I succeeded, I got rid of you!
I'm going with your family, though. Dummy.
Oh my god, for 3 years,
You're gonna be
man.
homeless. How's it feel?
Yeah, we have a spare room for you, Tina. There's a bed.
I got
there,
nowhere to
too.
go, man. I got nowhere to go, Michael.
Okay, wait. Dad. Jesus Christ.
Yo.
Dad, it was a joke. Dad, it's a joke.
I got no home. 3 days.
Dad.
Oh, bruh.
Prank!
In 3 days, Michael.
Stop it.
It was a prank!
Do y'all really
Dad.
think he was crying? Let me know in the comment section.
It was a
You look
prank!
like-
Yes, it was a prank, dude.
But we keep buying this
It looked like he
place.
was really crying.
No.
Yeah, it looked like he was about to really cry.
I'm sorry.
Your goddamn heart attack.
Fuck off.
Give me a goddamn heart attack.
That's out.
What?
Dad, I'm sorry.
Man, I found it. I found the old one.
Oh. Dad,
He said I felt the old
stop
one.
it.
Let me tell you what, goddamn thing.
Oh,
You know,
shit.
you gotta listen to me.
What was he saying? Alright, bruh gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was actually funny. I randomly found this one too. None of y'all suggested this. If y'all did, let me know in the comment section below. But I found this one on my own. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Shouts out to everybody that watched the video regardless. So appreciate y'all. I will catch y'all in the next video. OG!
Smoking that gas on the regular, I do not fuck with no regulars. Hey, niggas get quick out of character, shell yo, edit your schedule. Yeah, these bitches is selling they pussy, these niggas is buying and trading. These bitches is selling they pussies on Instagram, then post they babies. That is a thought, I do not fuck with the ops, they lying if they said they on plot. My niggas ready for war, hit my nigga John.